My friends, it's Coach Vigue filming at my old elementary school. Maybe I'll pan over there later in West Salem, Wisconsin, one of my favorite spots. I've been doing a lot of traveling lately, from Florida to Tennessee to Wisconsin to Illinois, back to Wisconsin, head down to Tennessee next week to close on our new house. I'll reveal more about that later. So a lot of sitting in the car, which can drive me crazy. And I thought, let's do a big hip and low back stretch today in a short amount of time, all body weight. So make sure you click that like button right now and let's begin. Butterfly position, bottoms of the feet together, bring a bunch of the grass with you in a freshly mowed field. Take the hands on the feet, let's rock it side to side. Open it up, youth in your body. That's what we do here at Sean Vigue Fitness. And I'm Sean Vigue, otherwise known as Coach Vigue. Rock it side to side. Got the capris on, the killer capris. So my promise to you in this video is that we will always be doing something extremely beneficial for you, and the time will go quickly and you'll feel so much better than when you started, before you did it, as I squeeze my cap. All right, rock to the side. Take your hand on the opposite side, press down gently. On each exhale, we're gonna open the hip, open the back, and make it move. Yeah, sure, Sean, make it move. We press down, inhale up. Everything's dynamic, everything's flowing, like real life. Even if you're sitting on the couch, laying down, things are moving, things are happening. Let's go to the other side. Find where this knee is, and we press. We stabilize here. And by the way, my favorite place in the world is Linda's Bakery in West Salem, Wisconsin. That's not a plug for them. They didn't pay me. They just pay me in cherry danishes. But finally got one of their shirts. Wanted to show it off. Oh, that's the stuff. We're talking hips, low back, but you're gonna feel this all through your body. All right, one more time. Now, turn. There's gnats going in all the holes. Shake out the arms and the legs. Take your left foot over your right leg, and let's twist it back and forth. Exhale to the side, inhale center. Exhale, twist other side. Sit up tall. Loosen up your back. Get height in the spine. Yeah, the old playground here. You see little Coach Vigue running around. Of course, being chased by girls. Chasing girls, being chased by girls. Let's do it one more time, each side. All right, switch sides. Right foot over the left leg, sit up tall. And let's twist, my friends. They used to flood this right here, and you could skate on it. When we got our dog Bailey in 1988, we remember bringing her over here. I have photos from that. Onto the ice. Used to practice for hockey over here too. It's Wisconsin. You practice hockey anywhere. One more time, each side. Oh, that feels good. Does that feel nice? Already looser, already taller. Take the legs forward, shake them out. Come on back, my friends. Take the feet together. Let's take the feet forward and then take the hands flat. I'm saying take a lot. Let me just say, do it, come on. Hands down, we have the tortoise. We're gonna rock it, we're gonna hinge it. Let's take 5 breaths. Lengthen the spine. I'm blowing insects off my legs. How's that feel? Got some good stuff happening. Haven't taught the tortoise in quite a while. All right, come up, butterfly. Feeling a little looser? Let's do it side to side, twist. Basic rule, inhale center, exhale to the side. The sun's kind of, there we are, getting my eyes. Now, don't have to squint as much. Not as much Clint Eastwood. One more time, each side. Twist and twist. Challenge here. You could stay in the butterfly or grab underneath and bring the feet off the mat and pull the feet towards you. An elevated butterfly. Drop the shoulders. So as you activate it, the feet come closer. You have balance happening, so your core is engaged and your shoulders are down. Your chest is open. 3 more breaths. One more breath. One more, my friend. One more. All right, shake it out. Big shake out all the time. Fix the strings. Turn. Right leg forward. We have pigeon pose. Oh, that grass smells good. Wish we had smell-o-vision here at Sean Vigue Fitness. Hands down, rock it back and forth. Massage the glute. This one never gets tiresome. Massage the hamstring, the low back. I don't want anyone else to invade my filming spot here. I have 2 really good friends that live right behind that camera. There's a fence. I'm sorry. I love filming in my hometown, my favorite town. Everything has a history, so much history. All right, slide forward and rock it side to side. You want to add on to this? Take this leg across and do the same darn diddly thing. That's a new one, isn't it? I'm on a little bit of a diagonal here, leg going up. Definitely feel that in your hamstrings. NIT band. All right, pigeon other side. Whoop. Slide this leg back. Slide, activate the hip flexor, hands down, shoulders relaxed, rock it. Now we slide forward. Can always take that leg across. I think I'll do that. That looks kind of fun, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff right there. We are rocking, we are rolling. Oh man, that is good stuff. All right, bring those legs around, shake them out again. Shake, shake, shake. Let's do one more exercise here. This calls for a cap switch since the sun is up there. The frog stretch. Tuck in the shirt, tuck in the shirt. We come into child's pose and then take your knees as wide as you wish. Dare I go into the Midwestern grass. Forearms can be down, hands or slide. You can add sways. Hold it here, 10 breaths. Woo. Okay, wiggle, wiggle. Release into the stretch. I dare say I'm probably the only one doing this right now in this field. That makes me a pioneer. Oh, that Vigue kid, what is he doing now? Three more breaths. Take this stretch with you anywhere, do it anytime. That's what I do here at Sean Vigue Fitness. So make sure you're subscribed, as always. Anywhere, anytime, my friends. Oh, pressing up, up, up. There is grass in my mouth. We call it a roll in the hay right here. What movie is that from? Let me know below. Rolls in the hay. Frau Blucher. An up dog frog. Up dog frog. Stop. Would you stop biting me? Whatever that is. Again, it's like when I was here as a kid. Stop biting me. All right, my friends. Oh, that was great. Want to be looser, want to feel younger. As always, do that stretch. Thanks for joining me. Thank you, Linda Shirt, as well. And make sure you click that notification bell to never miss one of my workouts anywhere, anytime. It's me, Coach Vigue. I'm actually heading to a yoga class at Ohana Yoga here in town with a good friend of mine and a great teacher, Lacey. So very excited for that. And as always, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. I'll see you later. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.